Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Okay, here I'm going to show you an easy way to get $7.50 back when you purchase some snacks. So basically, it's like getting your snacks for half price. Here we are. If you would like to get deals like these, please DM me on Twitter. I am sisters_Sue. That's SISTER_SU. That's S as in Sam, not F like fire truck. And it's sister, not Mr. Anyway, let's read through here. Get ready for Super Bowl with a 50% rebate on Ritz, Oreo, and Chips Ahoy. Oh boy, how to get your rebate. Let me make this a bit bigger. Man, I can barely see. My eyes are dim, I cannot see. Here we are. How to get your rebate. Rebate available for a limited time only, so get it before it's gone. 1. Purchase the eligible Christie snack pack on Amazon.ca. Please use the buy button below to purchase the product on Amazon.ca. Other retailers are not eligible for the rebate. Now, this is great, but I hope this thing works. This is the first time I've done this. I hope this will work. This variety pack contains 3 family-size packages, including 1 Oreo Original, 1 Chips Ahoy Original, and 1 Ritz Original. Maximum price $14.99. Rebate $7.50. So, offer limited to 1 rebate per person. People that have previously claimed a rebate on this product are not eligible. So it says buy now. I'm going to click there. So when you click there, this should take you. And this is, I need to change my address there. I don't live there anymore. I don't know where they're going to deliver this to me. So anyway, if you have a home for them to deliver them to, I hope you do. I don't. I'm in between doctor's appointments now. Holy cow. But anyway, this is what you can do. So there's the pack right there. It takes you right to it. So you know you're getting the right thing. And then it says it's going to arrive Wednesday, February 17th. You add to the cart, or you can buy now. So if you click buy now, let's see what happens here. Select a payment method. You can get 5% back at Amazon.ca, grocery stores, and restaurants for 6 months upon approval for the Amazon.ca Rewards MasterCard. Yeah, I think I'll get my rewards from the Lord. You can learn more of that. Forget about that. Enter how you'd like to pay below, and we'll save it as an option. Okay, so add a payment method. So you can use credit cards or gift cards and promotional codes. Now, I'm telling you, you can get stuff for free, like me. I get stuff for free all the time, and man, it's amazing. So if you would like to know how you could get stuff for free on Amazon, like me, and lots of other people do too, DM me on the Twitter, Sister Sue, and that's sister_Sue, SISTER_SU. And that's all you need to do. Send a DM to me. I'll be very happy to tell you how you can get food for free. Okay, I'm praying that you have a great day tomorrow. I love you tomorrow. You're only a day away. But now my clue, I had to, that's another story. Remember to pray because things do change that way. Remind me to tell you about the time I got a whole whack of free yogurt too. And that was in the Shoppers Drug Mart store. Well, man, I've gotten a lot of stuff free there. Anyway, if you DM me, I'll be very happy to help you get free stuff too. Who wants free food? Pick me, pick me. Well, DM me, SISTER_SU on Twitter. Have a great day. Remember to pray because God hears everything we say, sees everything we do, and knows everything we think anyway. God bless. Have a good night.